Yeah, of course, Apomoding. Of course, Apomoding. Yeah.
Apart from Apomoding, who are Apomoding to one and some education.
Yeah.
She can't a lot.
Yeah.
Because she who is let the Ocean Banner or see, Revolution. You Mahama, we
wiki. Sibo, try answer. Sibo, try. Sibo, hold on.
Let's be area. And here for the Enco. As a former president.
Sibo, hold on, though. Now, we have free say. Sibo. Sibo, try answer.
I was put on my major and who is him winning now. I'm not winning yet. Now, hospital, you can see what you make that hospital in Libya. When you need to employ.
Yeah.
I employ.
As far as
a former president, what's he win here? No, it's a money for Nipani area. No, one because a new hospital. Mahama, we keep person. Why is a what we are going to sell?
Manko. Sibo, Manko, there be train. Manko cry. Stay on, neighbor. Stay on. As they say, fire number. Now, maybe so say. Now, what can be said? I don't want to say, I see in your hospital, now, a human here. I will be on no catcher almost say, on your magician or normal Juma. Now, we have to say, yeah. But your president, former president, Benz, no, on also can't say free education and you know. Me pacho ono wan ko free education ni bi enya no no ko ya ono be president ana oh baba that may not they are not the only point I was trying to establish in say man shoku because papa we ni papa be fa ni flachi mota e de ne ko temale tamasco e man ni ko school o free education e man ni be ye minister be ye MP e be ye vice president e be ye president and small jina also on over 2 million now find free education. Oti yes also 2 million now on find free education and tia one say the same person now or free Chris Brown man be no we betting 1 million so baby anuma magana mebunu went to me for block factory ba kokura megana mebunu mananye obi a wo kwaje SPS Korea deal ba ye enu nti Ghana fo anya adwuma ba kokura ye obi a otinya ko IMF may be policy credibility to you so enu nti na ye ntumi sebe emfe ni pedwuma and now no be gina ho catch us Ghana fo nya mebunu mahama ono wase fo mo be bre ono wase fo mo be bre for dealing wicked with Ghanaians mo be bre sense Ghana mo be nya no mo be dia afifi mo be wu rough abey for
sometimes they say joke, sometimes they can to make a sign of being there, but serious, I don't know kind of a very serious bar. So as a former president, even making a statement there, I they have when they end, yeah. I'm comforted and demand on more time. Now I think that I was like
yeah. I'm conventional. I'm conventional.
Because as a president, there also be your man. That way, I'm not watching it. I think that for one time we said was I'm buying now additional any opposition party. Find a way to get Jimmy from the so way psychology. That's the way very smart here. That's the way you mean opposition party is more money than
Ghana, my motherland, in your fatherland, into a fan of Quasian Quanimani Crew. Say Jimmy boy, no, Avram, no, but down for Ghana, near Unya Ghana, ni Unya Ghana, Ghana, and I for, and a Yadia or who are betting them. Nanka Quasias out to look chaos for Ghana. A boy bit to sell and Jimmy Tot to sell and a boy to sell our common sense with 3 pampas of one. Who are boy bisanaka, who are you to even come and tell how Ghana should run their stuff? Just say Ghana, my motherland, not fatherland. The war yaw Benny land. So nyambo Jimmy Siakwa. Sakwa Siana Mujinawa Mudi influencing Crofoso Mko Jimino. It was the same tactics they used Mugana mebunu nusu bisu majuni na Jimmy Dodo. Ada zomino dos majuni. Read the history of Ghana. Kotoka, when Kotoka came, he told the Ghanaian people, say, this was what they told Ghanaians. Say, a young Nkrumah in the ministers near the Adeno, they were chopping the party's money. As a matter of fact, they were trying to make Ghana a one-state party. Ya can't same way enough and Nkrumah. Say, omo normal ba, omo bet me I Ghana ye. Now me bisa wo bebu na wo hwe me say. Ye too Nkrumah Ghana ye. Almost saying Nkrumah I corrupt and Nkrumah Wieska and Nkrumah Yeni Papa and Nkrumah is saying that no to Nkrumah no Kotoka no mobile and the dear no the break Ghana for. Mama Katatia Jimmy Free Fabama when you never want to know but down for come and tell us after Nkrumah what Kotoka and them brought to us. What did they give us? And then they are to us a mafia Nkrumah. And Nkrumah the state farming by. And your boy Jimmy Fonu Kwasia, some say Amuya, and the man Bimunya Kukudro, and go infiltrate Amino, Etu Nkrumah. Most Nkrumah, you can't Kenya, me a bottom from you ungrateful fools. All the things the country if you don't fight them. Money now, we are more from A to Z, and nobody that believes in you. Moya Kwasia, you don't have a mind of your own. You are crying for utility no pampas Nkrumah. Now we are free say, and you bottom for me to someone on Kwasia Sima Muye de Maye to Nkrumah. The two Nkrumah echo say. Ye two Nkrumah no echo saying. Did Kotoka and his people, did the Igbo people of our country turn Ghana to what? Glory land? Kotoka was a Igbo man. I thought I am almost like before no. I am one kakra. Mama, you use some of the deep on it. Kusa ya ne Ghana ni na obakwa kochom na mu na mujirem. Adan. Yes, you koye ku obetwe na Igbo jirem. Cooperativo. Hwan. Bedama, what there's a be bia ku Jimmy Samuna. And you wonder why your place is underdeveloped. You wonder why Volta region always gets underdeveloped because the people they are not using their brains. Yentu Nkrumengu no. Yetu Nkrumah no. Me pobi abeka tem se Kotoka 10 Ghana into heaven. Like I said, today's show is very important to me than any show I have done. Because the time has come for the truth to be told to the youth. Safa page in the preview. And share the page. Sometimes sometimes we have to talk. Sorry, and I stand for a tribe. I stand for the most tribalistic people in Ghana are Votarians. The most tribalistic people in Ghana are Votarians because we know and not that kiosk or the qualified the kiosk was a because of the Yama ya whole kind of social media.